Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at oil at the moment. I'm just going to go to a line chart, mark up a couple of key levels here. Oh, well, we've got this monthly resistance, so we'll just mark that out level monthly. That's more or less the nearest port of call. Then we got a weekly. Just want to nail a couple of these levels with this line chart. So the line chart takes out the candle wicks and it gives us candle body, right? So we've got right here a weekly level that we're rejecting off. All right, so this is quite a strong level here, weekly, monthly combo. Then daily, just see what we've got around where we're currently trading. See, we rejected directly off this level here, so this is quite a strong level, weekly, monthly, daily resistance. I'm looking to short this at the moment. I'm looking for a bit of a pullback here. Just mark up some more daily levels just to give us a bit of somewhere to navigate to when we go to the lower time frame. This one's pretty close to where we're currently trading. So we'll just go back to a candle chart and have a look at that now. We've got some levels here, daily time frame. So what we have here is there's a bit of an argument either way with this, but we are trading into a fairly big level, and I've just been looking at this on the 4 hour, looking for a day trade idea. And what we do have here is we've got this low over here, break of structure, bearish break of structure. Okay, strong move down. And I'm thinking, given this bearish break of structure, lower low, lower high on the 4 hour, I might go for a short, looking for rejection off this range or this zone. And if we go down to a 1 hour chart, well, we could mark up like this candle here, bullish. It's already tapped into it. 1 hour buy. So that's that on the hourly. But yeah, have a look at this trend. Right, lower lows, lower highs, equal highs here. This little bit of a dip above, and this is what's prompted me to go for a short, is if you have a look here, this range, Asian session, we're heading into the London Open, and that's going to kick off about, say, 1900 my time. So what we've got here is this range, or this sideways price action. This dip down in here is got my attention, and what I'm looking for is something like this. Just call that an arrow. If we see an immediate push up into this level above here, I think that could be a cue to short. My target would be, well, it'll be around here somewhere. Okay, so we've already had this spike down happened fairly quickly. Sort of spiked down, it's a stop run or it's a dip into liquidity, and I'm trying to ascertain as to whether, you know, this is enticing short traders, creating liquidity above. So this is how I'm seeing this, so that they can tap into that to short it. That's my thinking process with this. Could be completely wrong, but I think I'm willing to entertain this idea at the moment. So I think the best thing would be just to wait, see how this shapes up, and then say on the lower time frame, if we get something like this ghost feed, yeah, okay, so I think I'd be looking for, let's say we get that, and then right, so this would be the kind of price action I'm looking for. Let's get rid of that, leave that there. So a move back up into these levels, dip into liquidity. Now if that happens, what I want to see taking place after that will be this. See this trend setting up down here. So we want to see this high. So we get this low to high, this move here, and then I want to see a lower high, lower low, and that once we see, if we see this setting up, that would be my cue pretty much to short it. Stops above. Well, we've got a weekly level. We could go above that, something like that. It's a concept, hypothetical at the moment, hypothetical. However, if that sets up, I'm okay to short it, and I'm in, depending on where this happens. But I'll be watching as this trades into the London Open. If this spikes up into the London Open, something like that, I would be looking for this rotation around the London Open. If it trades up into the London Open like that, that would be definitely a cue for me to take a short if we get that set up. I hope that makes sense. Oh, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, click the link below, join my free Telegram channel. I'd love to see you in there. It's great value. Now, coming back to this, here's the thing though. If this doesn't set up as such, right, what I'm looking for is, that's the first move. That's going to be the second move, right? So I want to see fake out, shake out, and then this trend starting to form. If this doesn't happen, then this is null and void. Right, so let's just see if we get this. If it shapes up and we see this trend, then yep, on the lower time frame, I'm on a 3 minute. You even go down to a 1 minute and wait for that. See if it happens. So just watch and see how it trades into the London Open, and we'll see how we go from there. Okay, guys. With that, see you in Telegram. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and see you in the next video.